Hello guys, welcome again to the channel Rich-Minded Skills. And today we're just going to see we want to introduce for you a new robot called Profit Hunter robot. We have tested it many times, and now we are sure of that this robot is nice for us to work with, is good for us to work with. So we are going to start from the scratch. We are going to start from the scratch and see what is going to happen inside here. Okay, we are just going to start like the way we are just going to drop EURUSD in the chart. We are going to drop EURUSD in the chart, and after dropping it, we are just taking our robots like this, and Profit Hunter robot like the way you see it 1.0, and we allow the DLL and allow live trading, and we put on the robot. As you can see, the Profit Hunter is on work, then we allow the auto trading like that. Okay, so in order to just get a entry earlier as possible, we are going to trace different pairs, so as we can see which pair is going to enter the market earlier than any other pair. Okay, we just do like this and allow Profit Hunter to do his work and GBP. So we are going to test some pairs, and then we are going to use the pair which will be earlier in get the entry. Okay, we check also this. Okay, we'll put the Profit Hunter on, Profit Hunter robot on the way. We also put this in the chart again, and we put Profit Hunter. Okay, put the Profit Hunter again. It says yes. So you check about this, and then go to the chart, put the Profit Hunter as the way. Make sure you subscribe, you like and comment. Watch this video to the end, so as you understand everything and with the process, the way we are doing all these things, so as you can understand on how we start, so as we can get a clear entry and know where we are going to be in our way. So it is like that one. So let's test some pairs, so as we can get the clear entry and understand which and the time frame we're using is for 1 hour time frame. So we're just testing all these some pairs, so as we can check out which pair is going to enter the market earlier as we put it. Then we'll go with the pair we called the trade earlier. Okay, I think this one enough. I can add one. Now which one can I add here? Or let me leave this. Okay, so we are just watching it for the robot to do some analysis, and we go on with it. So make sure you watch this to the end, so as we get the entry and you understand. Okay, as you can see now, the Euro JPY has get entered, so we can close other pairs. We can close and just remain with the euro. We just close other pairs. We just close Euro JPY is the one. We just close other pairs. We just close other pairs because they are not get the entry. So you're just remaining with USD JPY. We close all of this. So we remain with only Euro USD, and the direction of the Euro USD is in buy direction. So I can confirm it by using this strategy. Okay, the model already confirmed everything. So what we are going to do now is just to let's say, first of all, want to moving average. I can put a moving average here, 21 exponential, shift 0 red, and I check this and I watch and I minimize to see the direction of the market. If it will just direction as buy according to the bot. Can it be real? As you can check out in this, and we confirm this is going to be like the way the planning is. The direction is good. So what to do here, I will just come and find where Euro USD is. Euro USD, Euro JPY, not Euro USD, Euro JPY, Euro JPY. I will find Euro JPY, and I add Euro JPY on the chart. And the bot also. I will just add the bot. Okay, after you finished everything and you added the bot like the way you see it, so you leave for the bot to do its work. And from here I've already shown you everything. I just let me show you in the phone on how everything is seen on the phone. So make sure you watch this video to the end. This is how we do setup for that robot, brand new robot. And I will give a giveaway to somebody, but 10 people. For the first 10 people, I will give for an offer price. So for 5 people, 10 people, first 10 people, I will give it for an offer price. Okay, so welcome again, and this is Profit Hunter new robot, Profit Hunter trading robot. Yes, this is what we are looking for. Yes, and this is what we get. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and so as we understand everything, I'm going to show you in the phone and final result. And our goal here with this is just to double the account, to double this account. So we need to have the profit of 500 going on. So just like that. So as you can see, we are already in just profit like that. So just let's watch and see what is going to happen with us every point as we go. My guys, as you can see, you are trading to withdraw with your mentor like this one. Yeah, so as you can see, always just showing you from the start. Just showing you all the trades from the start. And this is the brand new robot I'm just introducing to you, called the Profit Hunter trading robot. A very nice robot. I tested it, and it just accuracy is just 98%, 98 to 95 to 98% profitable, and the down draw is just like 5%. So it is just about, like you can see a performance. So I just here just showing you from the scratch how I set it as you see in the PC, and here now you can see how everything is going. And let's see the chart. Let's see the chart. As you can see, this is the chart. This is the chart, as you can see, and everything is going the way you see it, and we're expecting the big things inside. So let's just see and watch again from the start here up to the end of this video, also, as we can know what we are going with our trade. So let's just watch and the way and the end of the video. Yes, as you can see, everything is like the way. Just breathing in and out, breathing in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So that's the kwema that. Oh yeah. You know, our robot is going. He's already give us 100 in profit. Yeah, we are in 100 already, and this is what we call profit hunter. A profit hunter is hunting the profit to the market. We are hunting the profit. We are hunting the profit. Yeah, make sure you have the bot so as you can gain more money. Trade, withdraw, money, make money. That's how it is here. For 10 people, for first 10 people, I will give this bot for an offer price. Offer price. Before we announce the real price, I will give it for offer price. Offer price. As you can see, I started from the scratch, and what you have seen is the way you see. Yeah, we are in profit like the way you see it. Make sure you have it. Make sure you have it. And this profit hunter robot. This is a profit hunter, a profit hunter, profit hunter. See it? And this is the profit hunter robot, my friend. My friend. If this was your target, you close the order. If this is your target, you close the order. So for instance, when you make 150 per day in a profit, how much is that per week, per month, how much it is? So you can calculate it and see what is it. Let's just try to calculate this. In my currency, 150 times 26, it is about